Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn number 2. Which number we are going to learn? Number 2. Number 2. Do you know how to trace number 2? Curve and sleeping line. Curve and sleeping line. 2 pens. 2 pens. 1, 2. 2 colors. 2, 1, 2. 2 colors. 2 spoons. 1, 2. 2 babies. Students, this is our maths notebook and now we are going to write number 2 in our notebook. Curve and sleeping line. We have to write number 2 in a box. Curve and sleeping line. Curve, sleeping line. We have to touch the sleeping line, okay? Curve and sleeping line. We have to write the sleeping line on the sleeping line. I hope you all enjoyed the video and now you have to trace number 2 in your notebook. Thank you.